due to COVID-19, the whole world is going through a very tough times, especially our kids. Frustration level is very high. The grade of loneliness is A+. Stress level is increasing each day, and each and every home is going through either family loss or a financial loss. And in this difficult time, we need to trust God and in His Word. As His Word says in Isaiah 41:10, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." And in these difficult times, we need to trust God and in His promises which He has done in His Word. And today, I would like to share 5 ways of how can we comfort, help and stand with our children in these tough times. Our first point is interact with kids. Most of the kids, when they lose their loved ones, they isolate themselves. They don't like to share their feelings, and here parents and guardians have to take an initiative of finding some ways to recognize and remember what was valuable in child's relationship with the person who died, and to let your child know that remembering the loved one experiences are natural. Our second point is normal routine. Help your children to get back to the normal routine. If your children are school going, help them to attend online classes. If they attend Sunday school, help them to attend Sunday school online classes, and also involve your children in other household activity. Our third point is anticipate grief trigger. Spend more time together as a family. Do fun activities, play together, sing together, laugh together, and also talk about God's goodness, greatness, and His faithfulness in the family. Our fourth point is be a role model. When parents are surrounded with difficult situation, parents need to learn how to handle the situation peacefully, because the children are looking at them and they will be influenced by their parents. Our fifth point is be sensitive with others. Teach your children to help others while taking mandate precaution. Ask your children to call that one friend whose family is going through COVID-19. Encourage your children to pray for that family and to pray for everyone who's going through these difficult times. I hope these points will bring healing and peace into your life. We do not need to live in fear, but we need to trust in God's promises. As Jeremiah 29:11 says that I have a plans to prosper you, I have a plan to give you hope and a future. So let's hope for the better future and let's trust God and in His promises. And we would love to pray for you. You can contact us through the details given on the screen. God bless you all.